In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email notifications in Jotform. By the end, you'll have reliable email alerts each time someone submits one of your forms, and you'll know exactly where to customize who gets notified and what the email says. Start by opening your form settings. Log into Jotform, head to My Forms, pick the form you want to work with, and click Edit Form. At the top, select the Settings tab. This is your control center for everything that happens behind the scenes after someone fills out your form. Next, go to the Email section from the left-hand menu. Here you'll see two types of messages you can set up. Notification emails are the messages sent to you or your team when a submission comes in. Autoresponder emails are sent to the person who filled out the form. For this tutorial, we're focusing on notifications so you never miss a new response. To add your notification, click the plus Add an Email button and choose Notification Email. Then click Next. Jotform creates a starter template so you don't have to build one from scratch, but you can adjust everything to match your workflow. Now customize the recipient. Under the Recipients tab, set the recipient email. By default, Jotform uses the email address tied to your account. If you want to notify multiple team members, add additional addresses separated by commas. Take a moment to double-check spelling here. Typos are one of the most common reasons notifications don't arrive. When you're satisfied, click Next. Customize the email content so your alerts are clear at a glance. Edit the email subject to something descriptive, like including your form name and a quick cue that a new submission arrived. In the email body, you can include dynamic placeholders such as name or our email to automatically pull in values from your form fields. This makes the notification instantly useful without opening Jotform. Keep the layout clean and avoid placing sensitive information in the email if you don't need it. Finally, save the notification. Review your settings, make sure everything looks correct, and click Finish. That's all it takes. Your notification is now active, and you'll receive an email every time someone submits the form. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder and mark it as safe so future alerts land in your inbox. You can always return to settings, open emails, and tweak recipients or content as your needs change. That's it, your Jotform notification system is ready to keep you in the loop.